everybody, Sam here again from Worship Piano Lessons. Today we are going to learn a very beautiful new song from Bella Kombo. The song itself goes like this. Kutembea na Yesu ni furaha. Okay, so we are going to learn that song today. So the song itself starts like this. Let me play the melody and then I show you the main keys. The first part starts like this. Dereva wangu ni nani? Ni Yesu. Dereva wangu ni nani? Alright, now let's play the melody. It starts like this. Okay, so we play the main. The melodies start like dereva wangu, like you're going to be the ni Yesu, and then you repeat again dereva wangu, C sharp, then ni Yesu. Okay, you repeat like that. Let's play again. So okay, so you play like that, but let's play the main keys so it can make more sense. So you start like dereva wangu ni nani? Ni Yesu. Dereva wangu ni nani? Ni Yesu. On the main keys, you can play the upper keys or the lower one, but I suggest you play the lower one like this. Dereva wangu ni nani? Ni Yesu. Dereva wangu ni nani? Ni Yesu. Aniongoza vitani. Ni Yesu. Dereva wangu ni nani? Ni Yesu. Now let's play with the beat. Start like okay. Now let's play the chorus now. We play like this, the melody. So we're in main one. Kutembea na Yesu. So start like but we play main B, so we play like okay, so we start like this. Kutembea, start. That is kutembea na Yesu. Again. Ni furaha. Again. You finish like this. Okay, let's play again for the last time. like that. All right, now let's play for the last time. Main keys now. So we start. Kutembea na Yesu ni furaha. 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 All right, now last part we play Tembea, Tembea na Yesu. Okay, again, so Tembea. You're back to the F sharp, and you finish like. Okay, again. That's how we play this song, guys. I think you have learned something. We have learned praise. Let's play again for the last time. So we start like. We start Dereva wangu ni Yesu. Okay, that's how we play this song, guys. Kutembea na Yesu. Thank you for your time and joining me. And if you have any other request of any other song that you want us to do next, remember that you can comment down in the comment section. And please consider subscribe, like, and share to your family, friends, our beloved ones. And remember that we have our PayPal account there down there on the description. So if you have anything that you want to share with us, please consider to send it. Any amount is appreciated here. We love you guys, and we are in the process of creating our own pay bill so that it will be more easy and able to send for you something, because we are doing extra things here. We decide to shift a little bit, not only playing piano, we chose like we're going out there and preach the word of God also. So if you have anything that you want to share to us, please guys consider to text me via WhatsApp. The number is down there, and if you want to communicate with me also, the number is down there. Anything that you want to share with us is really appreciated. We love you guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Very goodbye.